Are you ready to learn how to start a video call on Facebook on your PC with the new update? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Facebook account. Simply log in with your username and password to access your account. Next, click on the Messenger icon located on the left side of your screen. This will open up your chat window where you can see all your conversations. Now, find the account you want to call. You can either search for their name in the search bar or scroll through your contacts list to find them. Once you've found the account, open the conversation by clicking on their name. This will bring up the chat window where you can type messages and send photos. When you're ready to start the video call, simply click on the camera icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. This will initiate the call, and your friend will receive a notification to join the video call. And there you have it. You've successfully started a video call on Facebook on your PC with the new update. It's as easy as that. So next time you want to connect with your friends and family face-to-face, just follow these simple steps and you'll be video calling in no time. Happy chatting!